Tip 1. First, I boil a kettle of water. After the water boils, pour it into a large bowl. Immediately afterwards, I placed a glass jar with a lid inside and left it for about 30 seconds. This step helps to preheat the jar walls, minimizing heat loss when adding the eggs. I poured out the water and gently dropped an egg into the jar. Next, I poured boiling water over the egg until it was completely submerged, then covered it tightly with a lid. Now, without a stove or constantly monitoring the boiling water, I just left it undisturbed for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the egg in my glass jar had been sitting for long enough, so I opened the lid and took the egg out. Next, I gently cracked the eggshell into a small bowl. You can see the egg slightly solidified, while the yolk remains soft, smooth, and attractively golden. Place the eggs on the bread tray, then add a little pepper. Finally, I tore off small pieces of bread and dipped them into the rich, creamy egg. The combination of lightly crispy bread and smooth, runny egg yolk creates a simple yet incredibly delicious dish, especially suitable for breakfast or when you want a quick yet nutritious meal. Tip 2. Using sunlight to fry eggs. First, place the pan in a sunny location, then wait about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, crack one egg into the pan. Continue exposing the eggs to sunlight for another 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, the eggs should be cooked. Take them out, add chopped scallions, and enjoy. This method is perfect for people who frequently go on picnics but forget to bring a stove. Tip 3. First, I prepared a few small pieces of aluminum foil and wrapped each egg tightly in them. Aluminum foil, when used to wrap eggs, helps retain moisture and prevents the surface from burning during prolonged baking. I placed the eggs, wrapped in foil, in the oven. Bake at 190 degrees CLC, approximately 320 degrees. Bake for approximately 25 minutes. The egg inside will gradually cook thanks to the surrounding hot air. After 25 minutes, the foil-baked eggs in the oven were cooked through. Remove the eggs from the oven and immediately place them in a bowl of cold water. This step helps prevent further cooking inside and makes it easier for the membrane between the shell and the egg white to separate. After a few minutes, I peeled one to try. The shell splits off quite easily, revealing a perfectly cooked egg inside with a beautiful golden yellow yolk. Simply cut it in half, and you'll have a delicious egg dish, perfect for eating with bread, salad, or your other favorite foods. Tip 4. First, I boil a pot of water and then add the pasta to cook along with a little salt. While waiting for the pasta to cook, I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl. Then I added a little salt, black pepper, paprika powder. Then stir the mixture well. Once the pasta was cooked through, I drained it in a colander. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I poured them into the previous egg mixture so that the pasta was coated with a layer of egg. I added some dried oregano leaves. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then I grated some more cheese. Then continue stirring until everything is well combined. At this point, the mixture looks quite simple, but just one more step will completely change it. I placed the pan on the stove and added a sufficient amount of vegetable oil. Then I poured the entire pasta and egg mixture into the pan and spread it evenly into a round layer. I fry over medium heat until the bottom turns a nice golden brown, then gently flip to the other side. When both sides are lightly golden and crispy, the dish begins to emit a very appealing aroma from the butter, eggs, and cheese. Finally, I topped it with a layer of grated cheese. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Close the lid immediately afterwards. Once the cheese has melted, add the chopped green onions on top. The heat from the tortilla will slowly melt the cheese, creating a rich and incredibly appealing topping. I put it on a plate and enjoyed it. The outside is lightly golden and slightly crispy, while the inside is a soft, chewy pasta blending perfectly with the egg and creamy cheese. A simple dish, yet enough to make breakfast or a light meal much more enjoyable. Tip 5. First, I crack the eggs into a pouring cup and stir well so that the yolks and whites are thoroughly mixed. Next, I prepared a metal ladle and coated the inside with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking. Next, I scooped a sufficient amount of the egg mixture into a ladle and held it directly over the gas stove flame. When exposed to heat, the egg mixture begins to solidify very quickly, forming a thin layer that coats the inside of the ladle. At this point, I added some cheese and chopped bell peppers to the center to make the filling. Then, I gently folded the egg in half right in the ladle and transferred it to a plate. The result was a lovely little egg roll with a soft outer layer and a delicious runny filling inside. So today, we've worked together to make some really interesting dishes using incredibly simple recipes. Which recipe did you like best? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple, healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.